Hey guys, this is Leo Mesquita with Juno Marketing and Management, and today I want to talk to you about these two simple tools that you can use as a business owner to stay on top of your digital analytics and digital marketing. What I'm talking about is two free tools that Google already provides to you as long as you sign up for with your business information. Google My Business and Google Analytics. Now, what Google My Business and Google Analytics will do is gather all of this data that's being collected on the web when people search for your website and when people click on a specific link on Google to go to your website. Now, why is this information relevant? Well, this information is crucial for your website to be ranked in the first pages of Google. With this information, you can also update all of your content online to be very specific to what people are looking for and searching on the web. An example of that would be a specific blog post that you might have and the title of your blog post. So you might have a very creative title to your blog post, but if it's not very specific to what people are typing on Google, it may be difficult for people to find that article. Another example of that could be a list of your services or a list of your products that you offer online. If they're not being very specific with the title and if the URL for that product page or service page is not specific to what customers or potential customers are looking for on Google, you may have a hard time showing up on those pages. So what I do for one of my other businesses, a restaurant here in Plant City, Florida, is I once a month go log into Google Analytics and Google My Business, and I look to see what people are searching for, the age demographics, what pages they're visiting the most, and with all of those details in place, I come up with a digital strategy, or I just revisit my digital strategy to adapt to these new key terms and these new trends that I see. And so I might log into my website platform and change some of the title and meta descriptions to my homepage, change some of the blog posts and add new blog posts and change the titles and add pictures with the relevant keywords when customers are searching for, example, places to eat or lunch in Plant City, things of that nature. But the key is to stay consistent. So you can't just go and update this information and forget about it because it changes every month and you might see new patterns every month and new information every month. So it's really important that you at least set a little bit of time once a month or once every 2 weeks to look at that report, see what it's giving you, and then you're able to take that information and apply it to your strategy. Some of the benefits of having a Google Analytics account is that it will give you the demographics of most of the users that access your website, such as age and gender and the user interests. Are these people, do they like home renovation and do they like sports teams? And there's a bunch of interests that these people have that some of them could be applicable to your business, and that's how you're able to determine a little bit of a strategy on how to capture these people based on their interests. Acquisition is another reporting tool that Google Analytics gives you that tells you where people are coming from and how they're finding you and which social media channels are working the best. The behavior tab of the Google Analytics is also very important because it gives you a highlight overview of how your website's performing and how many views you're getting per day, per month, per week, however the pattern it is that you want to set. And then there's a conversions tab of the website, which is very important if you're selling products online or if you have anything online that customers purchase through some sort of online portal or anything of that nature. So it's really important to monitor your Google My Business account and your Google Analytics because it does give you a lot of reporting information that you can use to execute on and have a solid digital marketing strategy that doesn't require a lot of expertise, doesn't require a lot of SEO knowledge, but if you just know the basics and you know a little bit of how to manage your website, you can change things around to start ranking higher in Google and hopefully generate more leads. Thank you guys for watching, and for any other information that you might have, don't forget, just go to junomarketingmgt.com for more information.